Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see Docker hands-on lab. So for that, I have a terminal over here, and in right side there is a task. So based on this task only, we are doing hands-on lab for Docker. So first question, what is the version of Docker server engine running on the host? So for that we have to enter the command called docker version, so we can able to find out the docker version hyphen version. So the docker version is 25.0.5, so the correct answer 2.5. Second question, how many containers are running on this host? So for that we have to run the command called docker ps command. My bad. So docker ps command. So there is a none containers, so that we have to select the 0. Now third question, how many images are available on this host? So for that you have to run the command called docker images. So you have able to so the 10 images, it is there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So sorry, it's a 9 container. And the fourth question would be for run a container using Redis image. Okay, so just you click on this clear screen. For that you have to run the command called docker run the image name Redis. Docker. So image is been completed. You just click on next, then moving to another question and click here Control C and stop the screen and clear again. Stop the container just created. So just check the docker ps. So there is no run container hyphen a, it is there existed. So for that I have given a control C, so then the docker has been stopped over here. So now you can see the stop container status is a Redis and the image name and command. So you just give for the check. Now it's been completed. Moving to another question. Now how many containers are running on this host? For that you just type docker ps, sorry, docker ps. So there is a no running container. For that you just select 0. Meanwhile I just clear the screen. So the next task, how many containers are running on this host? So again you have to bring docker ps, docker ps, then you can count it over here 1 2 3 4. So 4 is the correct answer. Moving to another, how many containers are present in host now, include running and not running? So for that you just type command called hyphen a in order to check running and stop containers. So up here it is a 4 is up and running, 2 is a existed status. So for that, so we have counted for 4 to 6. 6 is the correct answer. Moving to another hosting, clear the screen now. And what is the image used for Jenkins container? For that, we have to type called docker ps and check the image name. Here it is Jenkins Alpine. So this is the correct answer. Moving to another questions. What is the name of container created using Ubuntu? Name of container, so Ubuntu machine. So awesome hyphen orcut. So awesome not cut. So moving to another question. What is ID of the container Alpine image not running? ID can, so for that you just type a command called docker ps-a. So you look at for the Alpine, the name of C4F2 is the correct one. Moving to another question. What is the state of stopped Alpine container? Stays start existed. You can see status of here existed. So you just select existed. Delete all container from the Docker host. So for that, you just select a Docker RM and the container ID. So first you have to select the container ID and space, copy, paste here. Sorry, not running container. So third container ID 123 Alpine, paste here and delete it. Sorry, we have to stop the whatever running container. So for that, clear the screen, docker ps -a, and have to run the command called docker stop $docker ps-aq. Just enter. It may take some time. All the 4 whatever stopped container, whatever exist containers been stopped, deleted. So for that you need to check docker ps-docker ps-a. So here it is removed. We add a stopped containers, then you run command for in order to remove the container docker rm. So now the docker containers everything has been deleted. Check here. Now it's completed. And delete Ubuntu machine. For that you check clear screen, docker images, so you have to remove the Ubuntu machine. Here it is Ubuntu machine. So docker rmi and Ubuntu machine. Just copy paste it and remove it and beautiful. Check. Into another question. You are required to fill the docker image which will be used for container later. Fill the image. Only fill the image, do not create container. So for that you just clear the screen, docker here pull docker pull the image name. Here you just copy this and run it over here. Image has been pulled, the image on docker images. You see our image is there for 14.1.4. it's hyphen Jenkins, it is there. This is our image. Check it now. And moving to another, run container using image name, not in image id. Name it as a web app. So for that, the docker run -d-name web app and the image name Jenkins. So we have to enter. So once we want the docker is up and running, you just check docker ps. So the container is up and running now. Check it over here. Clean up, delete all image on the host. So remove container unnecessary. For that, you just clear docker images. Check. For that, you just run the command. Just clear a screen. First, you have to check the image. Docker images and docker ps. So we have to check either is docker any container is running or not. Then only we can able to remove the image. Else you will get an error. So for that, the command would be the command called docker rn $docker image -aq. So we run, the image will be deleted. So image has been deleted, and one of the given up for error over here. So check the image. So because of this container is up and running, so we are getting error over here. Let it resolve. So we try to do manually. So for that, docker rmi and the image id. Just copy, paste over here. Nothing related configuration. So for this, we can bring for force -f rmi -f, just enter, deleted. So now check here. Now successfully we completed 4 lab session. So if you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.